Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased tech reviews. Today, we're exploring the Solo Stove Mesa and Mesa XL. Attractive tabletop fire pits that add ambiance and a touch of fun to your outdoor gatherings. Let's see if these fire pits are worth your investment. Have you ever wanted a fire pit but lacked the space or budget for a full-size one? Or perhaps you're looking for a smaller option to enhance your patio decor. That's where the Solo Stove Mesa and Mesa XL come in. These tabletop fire pits, which operate with wood or pellets, won't keep you warm on chilly nights. But they provide a delightful accent to your outdoor entertaining. Solo Stove offers two sizes, the Mesa and the Mesa XL. The Mesa is priced at $80, while the larger Mesa XL costs $100. Keep in mind that the availability of the Mesa XL may be limited to Solo Stove's website. Both models are available in a range of colors, including blue, black, red, green, and white. Opting for an accent color can add a touch of vibrancy to your tabletop display. The Mesa and the Mesa XL resemble mini versions of Solo Stove's full-size fire pits. They feature a cylindrical steel design with perforations along the bottom. The Mesa is taller and narrower compared to its larger counterparts. In terms of size, the Mesa is similar to a large 35-ounce can of tomatoes, while the Mesa XL is about the width of a roll of paper towels. Both the Mesa and the Mesa XL produce impressive flames that reach a height of 3 to 4 inches above the rim. However, it's important to exercise caution when using the fire pit for activities like toasting marshmallows, as the flames can be quite intense. While the fire pits provide a beautiful visual display, they don't generate significant heat like patio heaters. Both models can utilize either wood or pellets as fuel. However, I found that using wood with a smaller Mesa was impractical due to the need for pieces smaller than 3 inches. As a result, I opted for wood pellets, but be aware that the Mesa burns through them quickly, requiring frequent additions every 5 minutes. On the other hand, the Mesa XL accommodates larger wood chunks up to 5 inches, burning for longer intervals and providing a more relaxed experience. Cleaning the Solo Stove Mesa and Mesa XL is a breeze. Thanks to their efficient fuel burning, there's usually minimal ash remaining. To clean them, simply remove the interior parts and turn them over. It's a straightforward process that keeps maintenance hassle-free. While the Solo Stove Mesa won't keep you warm on a winter night, it adds a decorative touch to your tabletop and provides a fun way to toast marshmallows. If you decide to invest in one, I recommend splurging a little on the Mesa XL. Although it comes with a higher price tag, it's easier to keep lit compared to the smaller Mesa, making it the ideal choice for cozy outdoor evenings with loved ones. That concludes our review of the Solo Stove Mesa and Mesa XL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you're considering a tabletop fire pit or if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more informative content. See you next time.